YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with another What's in the Box for you guys on Pentair's IntelliBrite pool light. Today's video is actually going to be on their spa light. We have a 50-foot, 120-volt spa light, so stay tuned. We're going to dive in and show you guys what to expect. Alright guys, so we're back. So again today we have a Pentair IntelliBrite. We are going to be dealing with their spa light today. This is the 50-foot color spa 120 volt. So they do make 120s and 12 volts. So this is going to be more based off of your high voltage. Typically, a lot of people have 120 when you're dealing with the pool or spa light. If you guys do have a traditional like transformer installed at your equipment, you are able to use more of a low voltage on the 12. But if you do not have that transformer, you will have to run it with the 120. Which is your traditional outlet, wherever you may have a light switch, whatever's going to go on. That's typically where you're going to run this light to. So it's a 50-foot cord, so it's a smaller run. So you're going to only do this if typically your pool is about, or your spa is actually located about 40 feet or less from your actual equipment. It is very important to always go up to the next tier when you're dealing with the actual cord size. Because once you guys go and start pulling wire underground, and you're talking about any twists or turns, however they had to install the actual plumbing for the light, you guys always want to make sure you guys give yourself a little extra. You can always take it to the equipment, cut off the additional pieces so you guys have, you know, extra length later. But it is really important that you always go up to the next step so that you guys don't take the risk of having to run the entire light, trying to make it to your equipment and then run out of cord. So let's dive in here and kind of show you guys what the spa light looks like. So they do make these same IntelliBrites for both spas and pools. Typically, obviously, your pool light's going to be much larger than your spa light. So let's open this up and kind of let you guys see the traditional lighting. Oh, nice. So they actually put everything in a nice cardboard little basket here so that nothing rattles around in shipping for you guys. So for our e-commerce guys out there, there are e-commerce versions available for both the pool and spa. They typically only are going to come in a 100-foot run. So you don't have, you don't have the choice of going lower or higher. So if you are in that 50 or if you're in that 150-foot range, you're gonna have to visit your local retail store in order to purchase the light, so then that way you guys can get the proper warranties. Because if you do find them online and they're not an actual e-commerce product, please understand that you will not get any warranty through Pentair. So here's the actual light face for you guys. You got the big 50-foot cord, and then as always, they include their warranty piece. Again, really important when you guys are dealing with these higher priced items. Make sure you guys fill out these warranty forms. Typically they're a two-part process where you have the actual authorized purchase as well as the authorized install. So make sure you guys take this, go to the website, check it out, make sure everything's good and that you guys are qualifying for what you need. So then that way, if anything happens, whether it be in the point of installation or, you know, a year down the line, that way you guys are covered from Pentair. So they do also give you their user manual. It's quite a hefty user manual that's going to walk you guys through pretty much everything. Obviously, they give you multiple languages. So I believe this one's English, French, and Spanish. So obviously that's going to add to the size of the user manual for you guys. But you guys can read that if you're not familiar with this. We do have a video in the link in the description on how to actually run the pool style light. So it's going to be the exact same process. The only thing that you're dealing with is a much smaller face. So everything else about it's going to be the same, including the wiring. So if you guys want to know how to do it yourself, check out the links in the description. We have an in-field video for you guys on how to install it. So quite a big hefty cord, even though it's 50 foot. So you guys can imagine when you're doubling this to 100 foot, it can be quite a bit of cord here. And then let's see if I can cut this off so you guys can kind of see the light a little better. Like I said, I'm pretty impressed with this packaging. They put it together here really nice to make sure that as it comes from them to you, as well as from us to you, everything is nice and secure. So, all right, pull that off. So here's the actual light for you guys. So as you guys can tell, they've got a screw pack here. This is going to be like your set screw. Looks like they give you a set screw and a washer. So then that way you guys can make sure everything is nice and sealed. They do have a screw already on here. This is going to be to actually help the light sink into the niche that's already installed in your pool. So again, you can't just grab this and stick it in the wall. You will need to purchase a separate niche So the niches are different sizes for both the pool and the spa. So based off of the size of light that you guys got, you're going to want to make sure that you buy the correct niche. So once you guys install the niche into your plaster, into your Pebble Tech, whatever it may be, you guys are kind of stuck, and unless you guys want to chip everything out and redo it all over again. So just make sure that when you guys are getting to the light choices, that you guys make sure you get the proper pieces. So because this is a full color light, which is what I really love about their IntelliBrites, you get like a multitude of different colors. So they basically give you 5 standard colors right out. You're getting blue, green, magenta, white, and red. So those are going to be just your single on and off. You can stick it on a single color. And then they also offer like full light shows that already come included with the light. They've got a multitude of them here on the box. We have the link in the description so you guys can kind of see all the different modes. It's really pretty, especially if you guys are going to have a party, to be able to just kind of flip the light switch, choose the light show you guys want, and then let it run the entire time. It works for both the spa as well as the pool. So, but pretty straightforward. They're going to give you the light, they're going to give you the user manual and your warranty card. From there, again, if you guys are going to do it yourself, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We've got a video to walk you guys through that. So for now, I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.